are getting a wonderful view from above the circuit at the moment, up from east side, wrap-ups down there, and thank you also to the Royal Australian Air Force for their participation in activities. This weekend, we put on a great show with the roulettes and also the F-18s, as well as being a stunning display with those machines.
Well, here we are, Daniel Ricciardo at his home race, 2015 first round of the Formula One World Championship. Dan, sensational reaction from the crowd. Always found this is a great highlight, mate, the parade lap. How do you feel?
Yeah, definitely. It is. It lets you know that the race is getting soon, and you can feel all the energy. And yeah, I was already pumped up, but even more so now.
Couple of Aussie flags and the marshals, mate, here all pumped up. So what's your goals, mate, today? What do you expect from the first round of the championship?
I think we're just going to try and obviously improve on where we are. I think if we can finish in the top 5, that'll be a really good result. Yeah, we'll do what we can, but obviously we got a bit of support, so try and make them happy.
Good on you, mate. He'll do the best for the country and obviously the best for Red Bull Racing, so try and jam a podium out of it. All the best, mate. Take it easy.
Thank you.
So Sebastian, your first parade lap as a Ferrari driver, how did it feel out there in front of the Australian fans?
It's good. Nice to see that, so many people dressed in red, and hopefully they really fire us up for the race.
Well, a great start to the season for you. It could have been better, but you must be happy with the progress made with the car.
Well, I don't know if it could have been better. I think we will see and find out.
I'm only quoting your team principal.
I think up to this stage we can be fairly happy, and if we can do a little bit better today, then I think we can be very happy.
Very best of luck. Thank you. Performance for Lotus F1. Tell us about qualifying yesterday and your thoughts for the race.
Yeah, it was good to be back in the top 10. I think that's where we really wanted to. It's the first step of the recovery, but it's going in the right direction, and the team has been doing a really good job since last year. So very pleased with that. Hopefully a race pace a bit better than qualifying, and then we can score points and good points.
Very best of luck to you. Thank you. It's almost time for your first Grand Prix. Your thoughts, your emotions?
I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait to race.
The car feels good, the balance is right, good grip level.
Yeah, I think that's why, I'm really looking forward to the race right now. Hopefully we can have a good first lap.
What do you normally like on first corners? Do you typically pick up places on first corners?
Well, normally in the race I'm better than in qualifying, so I'm looking forward to the race.
We're looking forward to seeing you. Thank you.